Cricut Maker setup and all easy steps. Step 1. Unpack your Cricut Maker. Step 2. Open your browser and search cricut.com/setup. Step 3. Check the I agree box and click on the download button. Step 4. On the next page, click on Product Setup. Step 5. On the Welcome page, select Smart Cutting Machine. Step 6. In the Select Machine page, click on Cricut Maker. Step 7. You will be redirected to create a Cricut ID page. Step 8. Enter your details to create a Cricut ID. Note, click on Sign In if you have a Cricut ID. Step 9. After entering details, click on Create a Cricut ID. Step 10. Accept the update policies. Step 11. Follow the instructions on the Prepare Workspace page. Step 12. Plug in and power on your machine. Step 13. Connect your Cricut Maker and the computer with a USB cord. Step 14. Go to the computer display and click on Continue. Step 15. In the Updating page, click on Update. Step 16. Once updated, click on Next. Step 17. The Register Machine page will appear. Step 18. Check the I agree box. Step 19. Click on Register. Step 20. After successful registration, click on Next. Step 21. In the Let's Test a Cut page, test a cut or simply click on the Skip button. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.